sure there are. There's a lot of stuff hidden in all this stuff. I mean, this is America.